Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 23 LSR. This one has an ocean blue exterior with carbon, great interior. Absolute beautiful boat. This one is a Pontoon with a Yamaha 150 on it. Take you around. Climb aboard here and let you guys see it. It does have a removable bow table. You can take that, store it up under your console. Speakers and charging in the 80% cutout diamond press here. Storage up under the back of your seat there. Nice long starboard bench. Co-captain's chair, cup holder, speaker, side entry door right here. Come on to the back. You've got two lounges identical to each other. 10-foot bimini on it. Don't have the motor on it yet. It's got a 150 Yamaha full Pontoon. Going up here to the helm, we've got the Rockford PMX2 upgrade, the digital Simrad dash, nice Yamaha binnacle over there. This is tilt steering. Absolute beautiful boat. Come see it, available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Also, we've got a yard full of new 2023 Benningtons. All ready for the lake. Give us a call. Thanks.